We're here at the One-to-One Mining Conference in London with Sabina Gold. Now, for those who might not have heard of your story before, could you give us an introduction to the company?
I sure can. Sabina is an advanced gold developer. Our assets are in northern Canada, in Nunavut. And the two assets, one is the active asset, which is the Back River Gold District, a little over 5.2 million ounces at 6 grams and measured and indicated, an additional 2 million ounces in inferred. And that's been the subject of feasibility studies, and we're now permitted. Social license has been granted, long-term Inuit impact benefit agreement that was completed. Shovel ready and very good economics. These are the highest grade undeveloped open pits in the world of over 500,000 ounces. And also have a passive asset, which is also in southwestern Nunavut, which is the silver royalty on the Hackett River base metal silver project, which is a 22.5% royalty on the first 190 million ounces of silver produced from the deposit.
So what can investors and shareholders expect to hear next in the coming months from the project and the company?
So a lot of it's been focused on de-risking, is again, very high grade, very robust economics. In northern Canada, it is an infrastructure and logistically challenged area, and it's really been focusing on showing that we can overcome those, and our economic assumptions of doing so are valid. And I think the other thing is getting some more certainty on our capital costs. And again, we've been advancing those beyond feasibility through detailed engineering, and also continued exploration. We've made 3 additional very high-grade gold discoveries in the belt since our last resource update, and I think some of those have certainly provided some very good catalysts for it and wins for our shareholders.
So what do you think sets the company apart from others at the One-to-One conference?
Well, I think we're, in terms of market cap, we're one of the larger companies here. In terms of advancement, other than several of the producers, we're the most advanced development project, the highest grade development project, and one of the largest resources and reserves, and through feasibility and permitted. So I think really it stands alone from most of the other development and exploration projects.
Presumably that's the key message you're trying to get across to investors here.
I think that message is fairly clear and concise, and it's also of what's next for the company and how are we going to grow, finance in a difficult market, and grow that production and the timeline of that first pour.
And how's the One-to-One conference been for you so far?
It's been very good, busy schedule, a broad cross-section of shareholders or potential shareholders and investors, so I think certainly helpful.
Well, thank you very much. Great to speak to you as always.
Thank you.